This video shows the directory structure used by BB Flashback Express. I'll just call it Flashback Express from this point on, and how to create a playlist in YouTube in preparation for uploading a video to YouTube. Just so you know, this computer is a Windows 7 computer, so the directory structure on your computer may vary if you're running something other than Windows 7. However, it should not vary too much. I'm going to first open Windows Explorer, and when I go into Windows Explorer, under Windows 7, I can select Documents, and then My Documents, and in my My Documents folder, I will have a directory called BB Flashback Movies. In the BB Flashback Movies directory on this computer, I only have a few files right now. The first file is a BB Flashback movie. As mentioned earlier, this is the type of file that BB Flashback Express creates when you create the original screencast. Also in this directory, I have three other files that were created by the export process when generating the FLV file. The FLV file itself, an HTML document, and since my default browser is Firefox, Windows displays this HTML document as a type Firefox HTML document, but it works with other web browsers as well, and a Shockwave Flash object that's actually for embedding the video into the HTML document. We don't need these two files from this point on, since I will be uploading the quick tour to YouTube so that you can download it directly from YouTube. And so what I will do is show you how to actually upload this FLV file to YouTube, and then we'll ignore these other files from this point on. I'm going to minimize Windows Explorer and open Firefox. And once Firefox opens, I'm going to access YouTube, and you may know the quick shortcut for accessing a web page or website is just type in the name of the website and then hold down your control key and hit the enter key, and that fills in the www. and the .com at the very end. Of course, you know, when you access YouTube, you can never tell what kinds of videos are going to show up on the landing page, but we'll be moving away from here fairly quickly. I'm going to sign on using a simple YouTube account that I have that I use for posting teaching related videos. If you do not have a YouTube account, you will have to create one if you want to upload your videos to YouTube. Hopefully I will remember my password correctly. We'll know in a second. Drum roll. It looks like I remembered it. Okay, good. Next thing I want to show you is how to create a playlist. And I'm going to go to playlists. And I confess, I don't use YouTube very often, so whenever I do use it, I have to remind myself exactly how to do things. And so when I come in here, I sometimes have to click a little bit to figure out exactly how to go about creating a new playlist. And in this case, I am looking at my current playlists. I only have a few playlists. They're primarily for teaching different topics. To create a new playlist, what we can do is go to the video manager, and so up at the top of the screen beside upload, click the downward pointing arrow and select video manager. once you get to Video Manager, what you can do is select Playlists under Video Manager, and then come over to the right hand side of the screen and click the plus New Playlist for adding a new playlist. Give the playlist a title. In this case, I'm going to title my playlist ASTD 2013 Presentation. And then you can give the playlist a description if you like. I'll just give it a simple description. Just call it Videos for Using BB Flashback Express, and then I'll click Create Playlist. And that creates my playlist, and as you can see, this playlist currently has no videos. In my next video, I will show you how to actually upload an FLV file to the playlist.